How's it going, YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today, this video, we're gonna talk about glow stringing 101 and making like a tutorial on how to like start with some glow sticking. So probably one of the most cheapest props out there to start with. You can buy like these like chemical glow sticks, but they're not really recyclable, so they're not really that great for the environment. But they are pretty cheap. If you do get one, people usually use the 6-inch glow stick. You can use longer or shorter. There's not really any rules of any sort. You want to like cut off this like hook end part and kind of like just maybe like get it smooth before putting the shoelace on top of it. And yeah, remember, there's no any specific rules. Just have fun. I'm gonna show you a little bit on how to tie the shoelace together here. So here we have this 36-inch flat shoelace. That's what I use. You can use 27s or any length for that matter. It doesn't really, again, there's no really any rules. First, you tie a knot from the end, and then you tie another knot, but then you pull the strings together. So the egg lids at the tip. So every time it's accurate. The string, there's no like this. And then the next step is to find the grip. This is my grip. I put it through my ring finger, loop over, grab it. That's my particular grip. You wrap it 2 times and then you can grab the stick. The key part is being able to catch the stick and release, wrap, catch. And but on when you're coming in on the other end, you notice like I'll wrap it on my fingers exactly. But when you come in on the other end, I usually have it catch on my thumb like that before catching it. So one side is okay, but when it's coming in, I use my thumb and then I wrap over and then I catch it. I have both ends. One and then two. All right. And the next part here. So once you have both ready to go, you can catch it back and forth and just kind of like figure that out. So the next part here is I'll show you a little bit the basics of stringing. See here. The basics of stringing, like so you can do like some basic wraps back and forth on your forearm, left arm, right arm, and wrap both hands at the same time, switch back and forth. There's also like this thing called the shotgun, where it's like a one-handed spiral. You just like wrap it back and forth, and then that way you can do like shotguns and wraps at the same time, or split time, whatever timing you like. The next part here, yeah, there's like a little bit more advanced wraps and through wraps and all kinds of different wraps that you can kind of like explore. I would also highly suggest learning some basic poi, forward weaves, reverse weaves, some crossers. There's a lot of tutorials out online. You can check them out. You can do wraps to change directions. Pretty fun stuff. And then towards the end, we're gonna talk a little bit about the one. Oh yeah, string manipulation. I'm sorry, string manipulation. Basic string manipulation. You catch the stick. You put your thumbs out. My right stick is in front. As I switch over, I keep my right stick in front again. So depending on, so the right stick is in front of the left stick, and then when I do the switch again, the right stick is in front. And the last part here, we're gonna talk a little bit of the one-handed stringing. That's kind of like my grip for the one-handed. So like that's how I do the one-handed spiral. I use my pinky to pinch the string, the pinky side when it comes back in this end. So it's a little bit tricky. Some people use 27 inches and different size of strings that will, the different length in the string will determine your grip. So there's no, again, there's no right or wrong, long or short. Use whatever you want and spin it however you want, explore however you want. but this is like my particular like way that I was taught and the grips, because the difference between stringing and poi, I think, is the head of the poi or the stick, because it's so small, you can catch it and go into like different movement, and then going back into like stringing. So hopefully that kind of like helps a little bit of like some of the basic on how to like tie the string, a little bit of the basic wraps, poi and string manipulation. I don't think there's a lot of like glow sticking tutorials out there, so I thought I make one today, and yeah, dish it out there. So if you enjoy the content here on the YouTube, please subscribe, give it a like, comment, let me know what you like to see. I do hang out on Twitch. I stream on Twitch quite often, or hang out on Discord. So all the links are below. Feel free to stop by and hang out. And yeah, I hope you like this simple tutorial. Peace out. Have a good one.